Do you remember this word that says money doesn't grow from trees? That's why I made my research and I come out with a new strategy that we have never talked about on this channel to make money online. This method is worldwide free, and even if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to show you another way that will print you money on Autopilot. All you just need to do is to follow this step I'm going to show you from beginning of this video to the end, so you understand how to set this up yourself and start making money online. This method is very easy and simple, but if you don't follow the step I show you into today's tutorial, you will end up not earning any money, which is not what I want for you. So make sure you follow this method exactly how I show you. So before we move on, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. Also check out my #1 recommendation in this video description to make more money online. Enter your email address, and this is where I'm going to be sending you exactly what I do to earn money online every day. So this is the first platform we're going to be using today, okay, in combination with this second platform. This is the second platform. The name of the second platform is called Kickbooster. Kickbooster is a platform where we can find campaigns to promote, and we're going to earn money for it. So we're going to promote this campaign with a combination of Reddit. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you can understand how we're going to combine these two platforms together and earn money online. As you can see, we're now on Kickbooster. Earn reward for sharing the project you love. So we're going to be earning money with Kickbooster with these 3 steps. And the first step is that we're going to sign up. It is free. We're going to sign up. We're going to create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes. And it's written here, don't pay a thing, which means it is free. We're not going to pay anything. And the second step is that we're going to pick a project to promote. It is a very easy step. We're going to pick a project, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what type of project that it's already even making money. So we're going to tap into it, okay, and also make money for us. And after picking a project that we want to promote, we're going to go spread the word. It means we're going to generate a unique affiliate links with the click of a button and share it with your network, which I'm going to be showing you how we're going to do that in this video. And then after doing that, we get paid, okay? You earn commission on every page that comes through your unique affiliate links. So the next step, what we're going to do is we go click on sign up button, and it's going to take us to this page here. So we're going to click, we want to sign up as affiliate marketer. This is what we're going to be doing. Me and you, we want to sign up as affiliate marketer. After clicking on sign up as affiliate marketer, it's going to take us to this next page. As you can see, this is kickbooster.me. So we're going to enter name, email address. This is very, very important. We're going to enter our email address, and also we're going to choose a referral code. In this way, I chose Tosin Ajiboye team. So this is the code that's going to be included on every affiliate link. And after that, you create password, and then you click on submit. So after clicking on the sign up button, after signing up, it's going to send us a confirm email. So we're going to confirm our account, okay? To be sure that this email is confirmed, we need to click on this confirm account. So after confirming our account, it's going to take us to this page here. But that is the first confirmation. We need to go back to our email to go check for another email sent from Kickbooster. So here is the second email sent from Kickbooster, where it wrote, welcome to Kickbooster. We are so excited that you are here. If you're looking for opportunities to earn reward for sharing the product you love with your network, Kickbooster is the place to be. Okay, so it's going to send us this second email, okay, where it's going to show us all these 3 steps that we need to take before we can start using this platform. and after that we're going to click on this view help doc. So this video is going to save us much time instead of going through to view all these help documents. And after that one, we go to the Kickbooster dashboard, and this is where we're going to find a marketplace. I'm going to click on the marketplace. So this is where we're going to be finding all these different products that they want to raise fund for. So it's written a view campaign, boost campaign, and there are different categories here. Okay, we can find different products here that they are building at the moment and they want to raise fund for this product. So on every product we promote, we are going to earn at least 7%, 10%, 25%. It depends on what the company pays. But first, before we go into that, to find a product, we want to go to the category, and there are different categories here. There are beauty, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, foods, games, health, and so on. So what we want to do is that we want to go to the sort by, okay, for the search. So there are different categories here. Also, we can sort by new arrivals, we can sort by our latest pick, we can sort by most funded, and we can sort by earning zone and commission high or low. So I will leave it on our latest pick, which is all these products here. As you can see, this one is 7%. They already raised 25,000 and they're going up to 73. So I'll find another product that we want to promote. So I found this other new product that they are looking for fund. They are making funds on. They want fund for $220,000 and 630, but they already get 20,000 fund already raised. So this is what I want to promote. It's a Modra band touchless control for Apple Watch. So we can just click on it. So guys, here is the band that we can promote. We can promote this band and we're going to get 10% for it. So to promote this band and earn money for it, we're going to click on boost this campaign, and it's going to bring us to this next page where it writes earn 10% cash back from helping us spreading the word. So what we want to do is that we want to click on help boost our campaign. So when we click on it, so it's going to show us the next page where we can copy our affiliate links. So as you can see, the affiliate links is ended with Tosin Ajiboye team, which is what is going to make these people know that this fund is raised from us. Okay, the funds raised is coming from our link, and every amount they get through our link, we're going to earn 10% for it. Assuming someone had $500, $1,000 through our link, we're going to earn 10% from that. So this is a very cool method I want to show you guys to promote this Modra band touchless control for Apple Watch. So now is that I want to go to Reddit. To use Reddit, it's very easy. You just go sign up. You click on sign up, and you can, with one click, you can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Apple, or you can sign up with your email. And after that, this is where we want to be promoting our affiliate links that we got from Kickbooster. So we can just go up here and write something like Apple Watch. Okay, there are different type of groups here that we can join. So to join this group, we can just click on this blue button where it writes join, and we can join this group. As you can see, this first group has 448,000 members, the other group has 16,000 members, and the third group has 21.5 thousand members, and it goes on and on and on. So we have so many groups here that we can join, guys, and we just need to join these groups. I've prepared a script here for the post we're going to use. This is what we're going to use on Reddit. Okay, after joining all these groups, we want to then start posting this post here. So as you can see, I've prepared what we're going to be posting on Reddit. So this is Modra band Reddit post, as you can see. Okay, introducing Modra band touch free control for Apple Watch. So this is what we're going to be promoting after joining these Reddit groups here, guys. Okay, based on Apple Watch. So these are the people that are potentially going to add funds to these projects, guys, and when they raise any amount they're going to add to the fund, we are going to earn 10% cut of the amount they're going to add to this fund. Okay, if you subscribe to my channel, you will have access to this post and you can use it free of charge. And after that, what we want to do then is that we come here down to this space here, and this is where we're going to be inserting our affiliate links. After we write all the information about this Mudra band, we then want to ask people, feel free to learn more, and we're going to put our affiliate link here. So when they click these affiliate links and add money to the funds, we're going to earn 10% of any amount they add to this fund. So this is what I want to show you in today's video, and if you know you like this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more making money online videos like this. Even if you want to earn more money online on Autopilot, check out the link in the description for Monster Mode 700K. This is a new app that just came out that will make money for you on Autopilot without no stress. This app is a Viral Weeks one-click app that will show you exactly what you need to do, how you're going to set this up to start making $500 per day on Autopilot for yourself. They have video introduction about how to use this app to generate money for you every day. As you can see, they have also proofs of people that are already using this app to generate income for their self. All you need to do is go to the link in this video description and click on it. If you take this app through this link in my description, you're going to get it for very low price. So these are proofs, and there are more proof of people who are already using this app to generate passive income online. You'll find the link of Monster Mode 700K app system in this video description. So make sure you go check it and start using it to earn money for you on Autopilot. And if you know that you even want to start your online business and you want to earn even more money online, check out my first link in the description. When you click it, it's going to take you to a next page where you're going to enter your email address. Enter your email address, because that is where I'm going to be sharing with you my methods that I use to earn passive income online. So this is really secret. I don't share it with everybody, only with my subscribers. I hope you gain more value on this video, guys, and if so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell button so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get updates. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.